Hey everyone, this is Pharaoh Silver, the Pharaoh of Beer Money Finance, and I have an update regarding Beer Money Mania, and it involves the Blackjack region. Mainly the top seed in this region, and the name I will not mention here at this point, because of the new YouTube community guideline, where we aren't even allowed to mention the names of any social casino sites or any sort of sites like that due to the new gambling policy. And you can go ahead and take a look at that here. I have no choice but to eliminate the one seed in this region. And I went ahead and I put up another post. You can go check that out. And I'm going to show you how to get there as well. Because a couple of you have been asking regarding that, how to get to that. Also, I'm going to link you to it in the description below as well. So in its place will be Nadix, and you will have 24 hours to vote for the Nadix M-Turk matchup. So in order to get into the Beer Money Mania voting and to vote for your favorite app in Beer Money Mania, what you have to do is you're going to have to go to the YouTube channel, Beer Money Engine, like this, and then you're going to click on posts, all right? So it's on the middle here, right by the left of the magnifying glass, and just click there. All right, and then you click here, and you will see everything here. So as you can see, we've got other matchups as well, and we'll take a look at those when that time comes. I don't think I've spoiled anything for you guys there, but yes, so the one, this matchup will be at the top, and then there are 7 others down here at the bottom. Voting will end at 5:30 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, March 19th, all right? Just letting you all know that right now. Please give this video a like, comment on this video as well, and don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine. I'm sorry that I've had to make this last minute change. I know a lot of you are not very happy about this, but this is best for the channel. I really don't want to risk getting a strike. I don't want to risk, like, a video getting taken down or any sort of infractions against this channel. So please respect my wishes on this one. I will see you all in the next video. The Beer Money review of Helium Mobile will be coming out on Wednesday, tomorrow, all right? So I'll see you all then. Bye, everyone.